This ERA Parrish Realty Legacy Group property video is presented by Alice Greenly. Sprawling ranch with an open floor plan that flows well. Relax on the 25-long screen porch and watch the deer come visit. Roof replaced in 2019. This property is being offered with a separate lot to the left of this beautiful home, which provides total seclusion because the land next to that lot has been combined with a property that faces another road. See docs for aerial showing that. Your private oasis. Enjoy the lake with 2 beach areas, pool, tennis and boat ramp access on the Lake Royale side. For more information, review the details below.